here today, and I am doing one last sneezing challenge. This one was suggested by Tico 58051. I have everything I need to do on a list right here. Let me close this door. So on the list, don't forget to look at the description for Tico 58051. Remember to subscribe to him. So I got some Q-tips here, and here we go. So first, sneeze 3 times, clipping my nose with my fingers. So I'm supposed to be doing this and sneezing, but I have to do it 3 times. So here we go. Okay, so that was one time. Then we're gonna do it to the next nose. Oh! That blew my ear out. Don't do this. Don't do this at home. That's gone. Okay. So, one more time. I don't really like this, but okay. Dude, why is it doing that? Like, air's blowing through my nose. Alright, number 2. I have to do it 3 times while covering my mouth with one hand. This is very specific, guys. It's a different type of challenge. Let's do this. Ew. Okay. Another try. Oh wait, where am I? That counted as 2. Alright. Number 3. I have to cover my mouth with both hands. Ew, slimy. That's gross. Don't do this without washing your hands afterwards, guys. It's gross. I look horrible. Okay. Okay. That counted as 2. Ooh. Thanks, Tico 58051. This isn't torture at all. Okay, one more time. Ah! Freaking ears. Okay. Feels like I got water in my ears. Okay. And finally, number 4. Sneeze rapidly using 2 Q-tips. Got 2 Q-tips right here. I gotta sneeze really rapidly one time. Don't worry, I'm in my bathroom and the sink's right there. Okay. That was 2 times. So you guys are awesome, by the way. Thank you so much. Give this video a thumb up, subscribe, and leave a comment of your username in the comments below, and I will subscribe to you. Anyways, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. See you later.